We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Hello, friends. I'm Oliver the Cat, and today we're going to talk about something wonderful: Christmas. You've probably seen Christmas trees, sparkling lights, or even heard songs about jingle bells and reindeer. But do you know why some people celebrate Christmas? Let's take a magical journey together to learn more. And remember, it's okay if you don't celebrate Christmas. There's still a lot we can enjoy about this special time of year. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! Christians believe that Christmas is a time to remember and celebrate the birth of someone very special, Jesus Christ. A long time ago, a baby named Jesus was born in a little town called Bethlehem. Christians believe that Jesus came to bring love, peace, and kindness to the world. That's why Christmas is often called a season of giving and caring for others. This is called a nativity scene. Can you all say nativity? Great! It shows what Christians believed happened on the first Christmas. Do you see the baby in the manger? That's baby Jesus. And who's standing around him? Mary and Joseph, his parents. Now, Christmas is about more than just remembering Jesus. It's also a time for people to come together. Families might share meals, give gifts, and decorate their homes with beautiful lights and trees. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, you might still see the joy it brings to others. And you know what? We can all share in the spirit of kindness and love, no matter what we believe or celebrate. Let's play a game. I'll say a Christmas tradition, and you say whether it's about giving, togetherness, or fun. Ready? Remember, call out your answers. Okay, the game begins. Giving presents, singing songs together, or decorating cookies. Now, not everyone celebrates Christmas, and that's okay. Some of us celebrate other holidays, like Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, and some of us don't celebrate any holidays at all. When we respect each other's traditions and beliefs, we make the world a better place. So let's all remember to be kind and include everyone, just like a big, warm family. Remember, friends, you are loved just the way you are. Until next time, keep being kind and curious. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. Friends from all nations. Go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.